Alright guys, we got a Toyota Camry here, 2017 model. If you have any Camry 4-cylinder, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery today. So I got myself a new battery right there. So make sure you go to AutoZone, Pep Boys, any store you like. Make sure you pick up the correct cold cranking app. This is 600. Okay, make sure the battery matches. Positive is on the positive side, negative is on the positive. I'm sorry, negative is on the negative side. So what we're going to do is, prior to changing this battery, I want to take my little brush here. Okay, let me grab my brush. So I just want to clean out this terminal, even though it doesn't look so bad. So if your terminal look bad, just clean them up. Try not to short circuit this side. You don't want this brush and metal touching it and there at the same time. It will cause spark. Anyways, baking soda, Pepsi works best if you have a lot of corrosion here. So anyways, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off 10 here, 10 here to remove this bracket. Then we need to save the life memory of the computer. Other than that, if you change it, you disconnect everything, you lose all the memory. Your idle speed is gonna drop, and that's not gonna be good. Your car's gonna stall out. As soon as you start it up, it's gonna die. So we're gonna save the memory on this guy. So make sure you get help from a friend. It should be a 5-minute job, no more than that. Let's get this job going. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna take our electric drill. Let's remove the 10mm here. Save it. We need this baby right back. Okay, once you do that, you also want to loosen up this. So, okay, you know what? Loosen up this first before you take this, because it might spin with it. So anyways, the little hook from down there comes out just like that. So that's the little hook right there. This battery smell because it is burning and it's just fuming out of here. So anyways, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to connect my jump box. I'm going to grind it to the engine block. And I'm gonna grab it right here, and then we'll disconnect all this. Okay guys, so bear with me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our jumper box, we're gonna take the negative lead, and we're gonna put it on to the engine block anywhere you like. So let me select a spot, a good spot. This looks really nice and solid right here for me. And then we're gonna take the positive side. So make sure you get a friend to help you. We're gonna put the positive side on positive side, so this thing gonna be having power all time. You disconnect this, disconnect negative, disconnect positive, and let them hold it over here with the clamp on. Do not remove it so you don't lose any memory. So let's take this guy. We're gonna connect positive right here. So we got it grounded over there, and the positives over here. This is where our number 10 comes in handy. So it should be very simple and easy for us to disconnect this guy. I had messages where people are saying, oh, I just changed my battery and my car stalls now. The reason is because they disconnected the battery and the computer lost all power and the car shuts down at red light. You don't want that. You're gonna have to rebuild the memory, which takes a long time. So let's take off this negative on this side. Let's loosen this up a little bit more. Okay, there you go. This is pretty much nice and loose. So this one can hang to the side over here. This one, you're gonna need help from somebody to hold this for you. Let me just open up this a little bit more. Okay, the bolt just stops. Okay, there you go. Should come out now, and it still doesn't want to come out. So if you have a flathead screwdriver, just put it right in between here and just prove it open. And it still might not come out. Then you could just pry it up with a flathead screwdriver from each side. Just make sure your terminal doesn't come off. So, okay, so telemarketer called me, so we can't screw up the job. So right here, I'm gonna have my friend just, nope, you have to hold it from right here. Okay, he's gonna hold it right there. Quickly, we're gonna take out this battery. And, oh, should have had this ready. Okay, so here comes the new battery. Okay, there you go. Okay, he can let go now. As long as it doesn't go, let go. Let it go, let it go. That's it, that could sit there. So make sure you have these caps off before you do anything, because that's what happened to me right there. So let's take this negative, put the negative on, These terminals look really good. If you need to clean them on your vehicle. So these are solid. So once this is on, you could tap it down, and pretty much we're done here. Okay, let's just tighten it up, and then we will remove the jumper box, and this job is bada bing bada boom done. Same thing on this side. Okay, we can just simply take this jumper box off. We're all done here, so no loss of power over here. Okay, so let me gather my tools, eliminate some of the stuff, and we'll come right back. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna double check if everything is nice and tight. There you go, nice and good. Okay, now we need to push the battery back a bit. To put this guy in, this is the battery holder, it's the battery mount. So this goes right in the center over here. It hooks up right down there, and then your 10mm goes on. Okay, so make sure you get your hook there. Tighten this, check your terminals. Bada bing, bada boom. Take this battery protection spray right here. Spray this. It's good stuff. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all set. And make sure you close up this red cover here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.